Hello business people, this video is related to affiliate marketing and we have already made one video prior to this video, so make sure you check that video first in order to go with this video, because this video is for the advertisers, business owners and the companies. Basically it's for all the small scale and large scale business. So if you want to get your hands dirty with affiliate marketing, this video is for you. So without wasting any further time, let this video begin. So now what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is nothing but promoting other services, promoting other products. That's it. And the more you promote, the better commission you get. You must have heard about affiliate links or sponsored posts. That is a part of affiliate marketing too. The more clicks they get on that affiliate link or that sponsored post, the better it is for the content creator. Now you would say, why is it the best way of marketing? Well, here's why. Number one, you don't require big budgets to market your products. Number two, and the most important part, it saves time because you are not marketing your product. Others are doing it for you. Another one is expansion of audience. You get to reach numerous amount of people because of the connection of other people. And number four is the most relevant and most important one. You pay for the sale. You don't pay for the efforts. Unlike influencer marketing where you pay for the post, here you're paying it for sale, not for an effort. Now that we have got that in our head, there are several types of affiliate marketing for business purpose. Number one is starting your affiliate program on sites like Tap Affiliate, WP Affiliate Manager, Post Affiliate Pro, Everflow, so on and so forth. You can start your affiliate journey here. And then you can launch your products on sites like Share a Sale, ClickBank, Impact and CG Affiliate and so on and so forth. Now the first question that I had when I started reading about affiliate marketing was, how do they pay you? That's the most important part. Now the thing is, they have four modes of payment. Number one is pay per click. Number two is pay per sale or action. Number three is pay per conversion. And number four is reoccurring commission. Now the name pretty much defines what they are. Pay per click is for every click the customer makes. Pay per sale is every action that they have taken. Pay per conversion is every time they buy something from your link. And reoccurring commission is till the customer stays with the company. They'll be giving you a certain amount of money every single month. Now how to choose which one to include in your affiliate program? There are certain factors that can help you to decide which affiliate program you should go for. Number one is your product total cost. And number two is your customer retention. How long does customer stay with you? In some cases like low ticket, people buy your products and they leave. And there is no guarantee that they will buy again. Because your product may be one time use or there may be a lot of competition for that product. So you can either choose to pay your affiliates pay per click or pay per action. And in high ticket, the customer stays for a long time. The service is like web designing process. It takes time to make a website. And this kind of services and products have high demand and high pay as well. So you can choose to pay your affiliate by reoccurring way, which means every month, every quarter till the customer stays, you will pay certain amount to them. High tickets products are usually tough to sell because of the rate and also the reoccurring stuff happening. And that's why you'll have to give good commission to your affiliate so that he sticks with you. The third thing that you should think about is cost of acquiring new customer. This is the most underrated yet most important factor. If you would have done the marketing, it would have taken humongous amount of time of yours, and not to mention money as well. So make sure you pay your affiliate according to that. Make him feel worth as well. Number four, methods that your competitions are doing to pay their affiliates. It's always good to have your eye on enemy. Not enemy, but competitors always have an eye. Well, as they say, keep your friends closer and enemy even more closer. Now that we have discussed about the payment structure and everything about your affiliates, let's discuss some practical stuff that we are going to do about affiliate marketing. So the first of those in that is optimizing your landing pages and websites. Well, an eye catches the attention, and we all know that. And it does not take a genius and rocket scientist to know that better the landing pages and website, the more sales you'll make. It's not proven, but it's more psychological. Good copy, attractive photos, easy navigation, that's all you need. The easier, the merrier. Most of the people overlook this kind of stuff. The better website has a good speed. It loads faster. Nobody wants to spend their 1 minute or 2 minutes just to get website loaded. I won't. I don't know about you guys. But if you have attractive interface, good loading speed, everything is good in terms of navigation, there are likely the chances that they will come back to your website. So make sure you optimize your campaigns after certain periods. Well, even Instagram updates its app, and it is the most social app in the world. That gives us the lesson that no matter how good you are, you should always keep updating and improving. So make sure your website keeps on improving. Now, as you have decided to host your own affiliate program or join an affiliate network, next thing that you should do is setting up your affiliate program page for your affiliates. These are the pages that will be generated on your website for linking as a new website that will be created for your affiliates, where they will get to know about your policies, prices, forms, so on and so forth. Pages like form filling, the sales that they have made, accessing their links and changing their sites. There will also be pages where you'll mention your policies, cookies, so on and so forth. This will be your front page of the program. And there should also be CTA for signups, features of your programs, commission, and the process to get it done. The pages have unique codes, so every time a new affiliate sign up, he will be allotted a unique code. And then you can easily track who filled that information. Now, after setting, the most important concept is program plugins. You can upload these plugins on the web hosting platform that you have, or you can also download it from Google website, or you can even download it from the web. Affiliate plugins are usually for help of tracking the commission, referrals, so on and so forth. It helps you in measuring and tracking the results of your campaigns. With that, we are up to the last point of this video: recruitment of affiliates. You see, once you set up your affiliate program, you'll get tons of application about being affiliate. And many of them would be real good affiliates which you don't want to be lost. And many will be spammers, scammers, so on and so forth. And for getting enrolled, these scammers will take the link of your website and will spam it on other websites. But Google is apparently a very smart entity. It knows that something is messing around in his program. And that's why Google can take actions against your website if deemed to. So you have to be pretty wise enough to make sure that you choose right affiliates for your program. You have to be up to the mark about the decision making that you'll be doing. Go with the people who you think are not scammers, at the same time good affiliates, and recruit them. I know this might seem a lot because it is a lot. Marketing is a technical aspect of business and also a bit lengthier too. Because of which we at Mavenwit are happy to tell you that we don't only give information about it, but we also do such kind of services. So that you can focus on your business and we can do marketing for you. Be it setting your affiliate programs, managing your affiliate programs, be it setting your networks, we have got it all covered. And if you need any sort of consultancy regarding it, we have got you covered with that as well. You can book a call with Mavenwit expert in terms of affiliate programs, branding, advertisement, marketing, and so on and so forth. With that being said, we have come to the end of this video. We hope that you have got immense knowledge from this video. If you do, make sure you like the video, click the subscribe button, also press the bell icon so whenever the next video gets uploaded, you will be notified. And if you have any questions regarding any of the stuff related to branding and marketing, comment down below. The Mavenwit team will be happy to assist you. With that being said, this is Tanmay Tate from Mavenwit, signing off.